Hello, this is Sabrina from Faileas Creations, and today I am doing a video of Take the Scissors to It. This is where pieces that did not sell, I take a second look at it to see what's going to be done with it. Am I going to redo the piece, rework it, so what am I going to do? So we're going to start off, make sure that you have some cleaner for the beads. I have, this is a really thick cotton, very nice, and this is it's a stretchy nylon, and I have some cleaner here. What this is just regular like glass cleaner, and I have my little tags here, so if I do for some reason lower the price, because I can do that too, I can just lower the price. So these are little tags here to lower them. So let's get started. So where we're at is, let's look at this piece, and this is the little pal here. It's not incredibly much. So evaluating this one, poor design. Personally, honestly, it is. I did not. This is an older piece. So I don't have wire guards, blah, blah, blah. There's a lot of issues with it. But the number one thing that stands out for me looking at this is $8. And these beads right here, this natural stone bead it has ridges in it. It's kind of wavy. And you can tell that it's a natural stone. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 pieces in this. And it's a green. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Well, I can tell you right now without looking it up that them beads alone is worth way more than $8. So this is going to be a tear apart. So honestly, it was a poor design, but it's the number 2 really is where the stop is, because the beads is worth more than the $8 and the price I could get from this. So this goes into the tear apart or take the scissors to it. So right here, and I am grabbing them. I hate that all of them so far is going to be, so this is $10. Now, when I look at this piece, if I'm not mistaken, I am thinking this piece and some of this, because it's some of the first stuff that I think I've done, but I'm thinking my granddaughter made this, because there's a bunch of different types of beads, and it is, a lot of hearts. So number 1, well, technically it's a poor design, but, she did great with it. The other thing is the beads worth more than the price of the piece? Number 1 rule for me is if there's 2 beads that look alike, you're going to make more money from making earrings. It's just, stand apart. And it is rare that you have a heart pair of earrings that don't sell. And there's so many different hearts in there. There's a pair of hearts right there that match. There's actually a star right there. Oh, look how pretty that heart is. I'm not quite sure. Oh, these are the shape. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but this is like a flower, and these 2, and they're just alike. And again, there's 2. So there's 1, 2 of that dark colored one, and then there's this bead. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 pairs of heart earrings that I can make out of this, and it definitely, it could at least be $20 if I rework this and make earrings. So we're going to take the scissors to this. Again, I am definitely sure that this is some of the baby's stuff. I don't think there's much else, hopefully. But these beads, no. These beads are very, very quick. No, thank you. Yeah, they need to be taken apart. And these beads are wait a second. That right there is a glass bead. It has dots in it. That is nice. But the rest of these beads are plastic. These can be taken off. These chain bracelets like this or necklaces generally sell okay. So let's take the scissors to it. Okay, what is the... Ooh! Do y'all see these beads? This is something I am kicking myself on right now. This is something I should have never lost sight of. These beads are pretty expensive. These, and look how thick they are. The different layers there in the inside of it. These are shell beads, the Paula, P-A-U-I, I want to say, type of beads. Oh, and actually these are too, these round beads is a type of shell as well. It's a dark shell, but they are a shell bead. That is okay. It failed at is the beads worth more than a piece? There's no way I can sell this piece the way it is to get the value of these beads. So take the scissors to it. This is starting to be a little easy. So let's pick this. Oh, okay. Okay, first off, I don't know if you can tell how absolutely awful this looks. You see that? Look at that. Look, what is that? It's $8. Then there's 3 on the top of it. You know what? I wouldn't buy it. The design is cute. I love the tassel. Is the beads worth it? The beads are, you know, if it's $3 or if it's 5 or if it's the 8, that'd be great. It has a okay, now let's start with the poor design. This does not have a wire going on it. And you know what? It kind of needs a crimp over it, over these pieces there. But actually, I think that it can be. Let's go through the stages. Poor design, no. Is the beads worth more? No. It's a, you know, decent enough for even the $8. Is it worth the time it took to make it to tear it apart? Again, no. You know, no biggie with this. So I think $8 or $5 would be fine. But what I will do is tear this off because this look awful. So was that tag the reason it didn't sell? I think $5. I think that'll do good. So that's a, you know, let's reprice that. This is nice. This doesn't look like there was a tag on it or anything. So that's nice. I like that. Nice bracelet. It just needs to be priced. Maybe just got mixed up and everything. Ugh. I think somehow or another this all got put in an area and just gotten. This definitely needs to be cleaned. These are shell beads. You know, just in case people are wondering, my husband loves shells. And if he orders something or pick beads out, they're going to be to do at the beach. And this right here started as $10. It went down to $5. Look how terrible that look. At the end of this video, I'm going to definitely show y'all how I do my tags. Or link it in for another video. But nice and clean. I like it. And we're going to cut this off of here. Good design. This would have to be the $10. That's the original price on it. I mean, I'm not sure the cost of everything, but we have the clasp. We have yeah. So it needs to be $10. But I think this is fine. A little cleaning. I think the possibility why it didn't sell was this awful looking tag that looked like it was from a third world country. That has to be that. Okay. The absolute first thing I see about this piece. Do y'all see that? Kind of make you wonder what I was thinking, but you know what? This isn't. This came from a bead haul. I know that because I hate these beads. The silver beads there because they turn. And I would never put fire polish like this. I don't think I would. So we're just going to clean these off. So let's start from the beginning. Poor design. Oh, poor design. Yeah, yeah. That just popped right on off of there. I can't do that. Poor design. So that's a definitely take the scissors to it. So that kind of stopped that there. Is the beads worth more than these beads? Are fire polish beads. I think they're a light pink, very very light pink, and a light blue. I cannot wait to tear that apart. Absolutely can't wait to tear it apart. Look at all the neat little pieces to it. So that clasp here, I'm not a big fan of these clasps, but they're great to use on kids. So this is going to go over in the tear apart. And this right here is a necklace that I thought I had sewed. And right away, the poor design for me, first off, it wasn't put out to be sold. It couldn't have been because of this awful tag to it. Absolutely awful tag. I'm going to show you one of mine. Just give me 1 second. I really like to have really good designs and stuff, and even all the way down to the tags. So these are my tags. See that? Them are the tags that I use. Look, these little, this is a stretchy bracelet tag for $8, but this is the type of tag that I use. This is not. This right here is my, as I'm moving it over to be printed out on one of these tickets. That's what this is for. But what I see right off real quick is that the that wire that's going through that super duo is silver and it's not gold. So this needs to be redone, and I'm going to leave that there because this can be really quickly done. And this is a pair of earrings that I like. Okay, not quite sure why I would not have sold. I don't. The price is 10. I really wouldn't want to go down cheaper than that. But what I will do is make that look a little neater and a little newer. So let me get out my little ticket here. And write down the $10.
What are you talking to?
Doing a video.
Sorry.
And there we go. Guys, I really hope you found this video interesting. Remember, absolutely double check. So out of them items, possibly 10, I'm not sure how many they were. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I think could actually go right back. These can go right back into being sewed, but they just need a new tag on them. And this one right here, it just needs one little minor detail, and that piece of wire right there needs to be redone. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the take the scissors to it episode. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And any comments about anything, if you've seen, especially the beads, I have an awful time because I don't order a lot of the stuff I get. Sometimes I buy it from other people. So if you've seen a piece of stone that you recognize, please leave it in the comments. It would help me out tremendously. Until next time, continue beading.